Hello everybody who is watching, and to my friends and to my new followers. Today I'm wearing one of these rings because I have lost the butterfly ring, but I did not give up looking for it. I will ring up the shopping center to see if I've left it in the bathroom there, because I think it can be found. If a nice and caring person found it, they might have returned it to the security at the shop, so lost property. So I'm hoping maybe I will get my butterfly ring there, but I like this one for now because it matches my nails. I always wear a new ring like this. My friends call me Elizabeth Taylor. Only I haven't been married 7 times. So I'm hardly Elizabeth Taylor, and I'm not that rich. I'm not even rich. Today I decided to come back. Long time no see since last night. You can tell I have a passion and addiction for videos. I'm going to talk to you about healthy eating. On Wednesday I have gone to a healthy eating class at my social club in West Linneville. The lady who ran this class has lost 20 kilos. So I know that the information that she's giving is not false and not out of date, because she has had a baby and managed to lose 20 kilos. And since I have gotten off a specific medication, I have lost 10, and then I have put it back on, and now I want to take it down again, just because the notes she gave us here, I'm reading it from here. Wish I had a bit of a better presentation with dot points and some color on it, because I'm a girl that likes color. Hello. But no, all I have is this and some examples, and this healthy eating class is on every month, and is this helping me to motivate myself. But she did say that we do not have to do all these dot points, because there's more on this side, and there is 12 dot points. But if we do 1 or 2 and stick with those to motivate ourselves with healthier eating, we will feel better, and we will feel like we're going somewhere towards changing our diets. Okay, so why is healthy eating important? What comes to your mind first? Healthy eating is important for our overall physical and mental health. Because if we're not feeling physically fit, we can't feel mentally fit. And sometimes that was the condition with me. I wasn't able to walk, and I was getting depressed and moody. And when I have more energy, and when I have more better food, and I have less confusions and less depressive moods, and overall more iron, and I think that helps. I'm having a serious conversation here, and that fan is going through. It's really annoying. But I did that because it's hot today. They said it will rain in Perth today. I'm in Perth again, in city centre. No rain, blue skies, nice day, which is good. I'm going for lunch, but I will think about my healthy eating, but I will not obsess about it, because obsessing with it doesn't lead nowhere. So first thing is it can improve less risk of diabetes when we eat healthier, because we will have less sugar in our body and less funny feelings. So we will have good sugar levels and not worrying about going high and experiencing more diabetes risk at a younger and older age, because once you get diabetes you have them forever, so it's not good to get it at any age. I shouldn't just be talking about young people here. I don't even know if I'm young anymore. I'm 32, but I have had a sugar level test and it was perfect. I was surprised actually, because I do eat quite a bit of sugar, but so far so good. But I still need to watch how much of it I do take in, because I don't want to get it in another 10 years, diabetes. It also minimizes risks of high blood pressure, which some people do get even if they eat healthy, because sometimes it can be a genetic thing, so it's not always with what you eat. but not having high blood pressure is better than having lower blood pressure is better than high blood pressure, less risk of heart attack and less risk of strokes and things like that. So healthy eating can improve all of that. Now I am on point number 2. Yeah, I will highlight it for you more next time so that there is a bit more structure in this mess that I'm talking about. Switch to healthy and unprocessed food. So switch to healthy whole grains and no white bread. Guess what? I have done this. I don't eat white bread anymore. When I was feeling a bit depressed, I was eating white bread a lot. And I was eating white bread with Nutella for breakfast. Very bad, very bad. But now I have changed it all because I've stopped the Nutella habit little by little. And now I do eat it sometimes, but with the brown bread, and maybe once in 3 weeks, which is much better than every day. I eat toast with butter and jam, and toast with peanut butter sometimes, and avocado cheese on toast, because that is healthy. Whether we like avocados or not, or the price of them, some people say, I don't like the price of avocados. But if I want to eat something healthy, I have to pay for it. Otherwise, I'll be stuck on Nutella. I don't want to do that. Nutella is just something that I eat when I'm a bit lacking motivation, feeling depressed, and need a kick in the butt to get out of the house. I don't want to do that anymore. So, try to eat brown rice. In supermarkets, avoid going to the sweet flavors. Brown rice is better than the white rice. Like everything brown is better than white. So brown rice is less fattening and has less everything, calories and everything bad that we don't need. And I found that if I don't have sweets in the house, I don't eat them. And that is the best way to go. But sometimes I buy it at the shops because I have the cravings and the addiction. And I'm like, oh, I didn't have it for 3 days. I really need a chocolate. So I go to the supermarket and buy it. But here it says, it says when you're at the supermarket, avoid going to the sweet section. How do we do that? The sweet section is too tempting. We gotta find some tricks to avoid the sweet section, because when we don't have it in the house, we don't eat it, and maybe we can not stop it but swap it a little bit. So if we pretend to be blind in a supermarket like this, maybe we skip the sweet section. What do you reckon? Okay, I'm getting there with this tutorial for healthy eating. Change to healthy cooking habits. I'm up to here, towards the end of the page, middle. Change to healthy cooking habits. Use herbs and spices. Actually, I'm cooking tacos tonight, and adding spicy sauces makes everything so much better. I don't know about herbs. I don't do herbs, but I don't have to do everything that's on this list. It's a really big list. As long as I start somewhere and have some kind of a goal to do three healthy meals a week, I can get a little bit further with my dieting and healthier eating. A little bit of salt. A little bit of salt, yes, because salt is not very good for your heart. But I like salt. I made an egg last night, and with not a lot of salt, it's not tasty, I can tell you that. But it depends what you're cooking, but avoid so much salt because it's healthier. But again, you don't have to do everything from this video, just a few little things. use lemon instead of salad dressing. Well, that could actually work because I like lemon and the taste of lemon just makes things better for me. Sometimes I don't know about you, but to me it makes it better. And I like putting lemon in my water because I drink lots and lots of water in the day because I have to, because of my medical condition. But just lemon is just nice and fresh, and dressings on the salad probably have a lot more calories, so people think they're eating salad, they're being good, this and that, but do you think about it? How much fat the salad dressings have? I don't know, I haven't really looked it up, but apparently a lot, which I was surprising because some salads are really plain and boring. But put some lemon on it and you will be fine. I'll show you some lemon. Over here I have it. I squeeze it in the middle and I put it in my water, and when I get really bored of just water, I put a little bit of lemon, so now I'm gonna start putting it in my salad. Now the lemon can go to the right side of here. Where am I? Portion. Control your portions that you eat, how much you eat. Eating smaller meals in a day, smaller meals in a day is better than a bigger meal in a day, which I don't do, but I try to do a few things from the list. But I'm a bit of a big meal eater once I really like something that I find. But if smaller meals are for you, you don't have to snack, you can just eat in between. You can eat 4 or 5 times a day with some smaller meals. Eat less at night. Yes, I am lucky because I don't get hungry at night, and when I eat at night, I eat watermelon and blueberries mixed with bananas, and sometimes I'm full from that, or chicken corn soup. I don't have a huge appetite at night. It depends on where your appetite is. But if you can control it at night, it would be better for you because there is no energy to burn it off during the day afterwards, because after you have dinner you're gonna watch some TV or do some homework or do some reading or whatever you do at home, and then you're gonna go to bed. So it is common sense, but I don't really think about it that much. I'm just like, I can burn it off if I go to the gym, but fair enough if you go to the gym at night, but if you go to sleep straight after, try to eat less at night and swap chips for rice. That is the most depressing point on this video, because I love hot chips. Are you telling me that rice tastes like chips? That does not sound right. I will try to do this once in my life, and I will let you know how I go. But how is that even a replacement? Crazy. Have a food diary, it says here. Oh, I'm right at the bottom, I'm doing well. Have a food diary. And write down what you eat in the day so that you know how much of bad things you've eaten, because sometimes your brain can trick you. If you have a snack in the morning, you can forget about it, and you can have another chocolate at night, and you can think, oh, I haven't had one in the morning. That's what I do all the time, but I try to note it down now. And I say, oh, I haven't had a snack, but guess what I have? And I forgot about it. So if you have a food diary in your kitchen somewhere near your fridge, I guess, or near your cabin, and you can tell before you go in, I have had already a snack today.